Hi guys, this is Chris for Tech and welcome to the channel. Well, today I was supposed to show you how to do this food costing in Excel, which include all those predefined calculation except the one in orange where it's input by the user, as well as, if you want to go, there it is, as well as the food costing. So stay tuned because my computer broke and unfortunately that's all I can load with what I have right now. I wish you to have a very good week. So if you like this introduction, may I say, I'm so sorry, like, subscribe or share with your friend, and if you do not like it, please do leave a comment here down below. Thank you very much and bye guys now.